Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is I want to get into showing y'all an unreleased pair right here, the Black Cat Air Jordan 3. Keep in mind, these are going to be dropping January 2025. I believe the exact date is January 11th, but that's, that can change, so just keep that in mind. But we'll get into it and show you guys some details with this sneaker. Overall, pretty nice, and yeah, we'll just get into discussing them. A little early review right here showing y'all everything within the box, etc., everything they come with. So if you want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Just trying to 300 likes on this video just lets me know this is the type of content y'all want more of. You can also check me out my IGs down below. I'm always buying, selling, trading there. And of course, if you don't want to just check me out my IGs, you can also check us out at Resale Vision down below. Don't forget, we'll be doing some Thanksgiving deals. We do deals every single day, but don't forget about that. Undermarket sneakers, we do it every single day in there. See y'all down below. But yeah, aside from everything right there, again, that is all in the pinned comment down below. Make sure you guys check it out. Don't miss out on any of that good info. And why don't we get into reviewing, well, this upcoming sneaker, the Air Jordan 3 Black Cat. So I believe the last time they did this shoe was 2007, and I'll get into showing y'all more about the sneaker in a second. Let me set these. I'm gonna set them right there. All right, that should work for a second because I just want to show y'all the box really quick. So the box we got for these, right? It's not like an all black box or what they did like with the 4s, for example. I think that one had like a black jump man. A couple of the details were like, oh shoot, it's all black sneaker, and the box fits it too. But yeah, just a pretty normal, regular Jordan 3 box. So they're not putting in that extra effort, but it is a retro, so that kind of makes sense. And y'all can see this just a size 11.5. I have a 11.5 and 12. If anybody's interested, hit me on my IG DMs. I got a price for them. Not accepting trades for them really at the moment, but if anyone has a good offer, maybe. But yeah, aside from the box, let me get into showing y'all the sneaker right here. I'm gonna set down the other one since I only really need one of them to do a proper review right here, so you guys can see. First thing we really notice on the sneaker, and probably what you've noticed already throughout this review, is this kind of glossy portion that goes around the toe box. That goes from kind of the midsole right here, goes all the way around and back to kind of the same part on the other side of the sneaker. So I thought that was pretty interesting. Wanted to get into showing y'all that because I know some people really weren't rocking with that, and me honestly seeing these in hand first time, I don't like this portion either. But it's there. It doesn't like break the sneaker or make it like, oh, I can't cop these now. No, it's still fine because you got pretty nice portion right here. You guys can see has the jump man, then it says Air right there, all black. Also have that black elephant print. Y'all might be able to see that. So pretty nice. And also kind of that nubuck material. I think it was the same material we had on the Thunder 4s in like 2023. So y'all can see that. There's, of course, more recent models that have used this material, but that's just kind of one off the top of my head I can think of and compare it to. So we got that material, which is present on the shoe toe box. Y'all can see that right there. Clean that up. I'll do that later. But yeah, y'all can see that. And overall, pretty good shoe. Pretty clean. You can see the elephant print is really present right there towards the heel of the shoe where you got the Jumpman and the Nike Air. But y'all can see the soles on these. I actually really like this portion, kind of that white and black contrast. I think this is, again, white and black. It's the easiest, contrast in my opinion. It works on almost any sneaker, and yeah, people like it. So I'm rocking with this. Think it fits on the shoe. And yeah, pretty nice, nicely done. And you guys can see the stars right there, top of the toe box. And let me grab the other pair so we can give you all a few other shots. Of course, I want to show you all the laces on these as well, so we'll do that really quick. Look at the laces on these. I know some people also are not liking the laces. I think they should have, went with the all black set. That would have been fine. We don't need this, but it's fine. It doesn't really, again, it's not a thing that like messes up the shoe or makes it unwearable. And I'm actually taking another look. I don't think there's any extra laces. I'm taking a look. I'll, look in the box right here really quick. But yeah, there is no, at least from, my brief check I just did right there, there's no extra black laces, which is crazy. I do think that is crazy now. No black extra laces. What are we doing? Come on. We got to have that on a pair called the Black Cats. I mean, yeah, that's like, you got to have that. But aside from that, y'all can see the Jumpman's kind of a like black reflective or black chrome look right there with the Jumpman. So that's pretty clean. I'll grab the other one right here. Y'all can see that. So maybe it'll focus for me right there. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of focusing. Not really. But yeah, aside from that, overall, a pretty clean shoe. For me, I would give these like a 7 or 8 out of 10. They're not perfect. Like, there are things they did wrong, for sure. For example, the laces, like not including an extra set of black laces. I think that's probably the craziest decision making right there. Like, you're I just dropped that, but called it. Yeah, like, it's called the Black Cat 3s. How are you not going to have a black set of laces? You know what I mean? But y'all can see the insoles right there. Very simple, just a white Jumpman right there. You really cannot see that. Yeah, maybe a little bit. You can see it's kind of a puffy tongue tag. We got a little bit of padding right there. So that is a nice portion of the shoe. You know, y'all can see that. You know, got some padding right there, so it's not going to be like rubbing up against your foot. Also pretty padded by the heel here, so overall, it seems like a very comfortable shoe. I would love to have a pair, but I'm going to wait for the prices to drop a little bit more. But again, if anybody needs one early, feel free to hit me up. I mean, I got them OG all with everything they come with right here. Big sizes, 11.5 and 12. And I could probably find some of the other smaller sizes. So yeah, just let me know. Hit me up on my IG, just what size you need, and I'll see if I can do it for it early or if I can get it. And yeah, I mean, I like the nubuck material too. I think it fits on this sneaker as well. It's a fine choice material. I think this, you know, they could lose this part, but it's not bad. You know what I mean? It's not like, oh my gosh, wow, that part like on the sneaker now. Oh man, I can't wear these anymore. Like, at least it matches. You know what I mean? Like, it could be worse, but at least it matches and fits or sets into the sneaker really easily, really well. You know what I mean? So that is how I am feeling about the Black Cat 3s. Again, very, very nice sneaker. We're going to do some B-roll shots for these really quick, so don't leave. You know, we'll do some actual better camera shots of these so you guys can see a really nice look at them and truly get a look at what these are like. But I mean, these will be popular. This is the type of pair that's, you know, going to do some numbers down the line. You remember the Black Cat 4s? Those originally sat. They were bricks, and well, they went crazy in price. These probably won't sit or be bricks at first, but they'll go crazy in price down the line. You know, people love Jordan 3s. There's not even any pairs of the last Black Cat 3s listed really, and if there is, they sell for like $800. So these, they'll do some numbers. They'll go up in price. I'm waiting for the price to come down a little bit more before I look into a hold up. So aside from me yapping super fast right there, why don't we get into those B-roll shots we were talking about? And yeah, again, the rest of this sneaker, very, very clean. I'm a big fan. So yeah, why don't we discuss it? Clean, easy shoe to wear. Let's do those shots right now. And then we'll head into the outro. So let's go. Clean shoe though. I mean, like, honest opinion, these are nice. Anyways, guys, if you all want more content like this, just let me know your thoughts on the Black Cat 3s. If this is going to be a pair that you all be copping for the personal collection. And feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget, let's try to 300 likes on this video. Just lets me know y'all want more early unboxings, reviews, sneaker resale content. Just, you know, stuff around those topics. Just let me know. And yeah, feel free to, again, check us all out down below at Resale Vision. You can see everything we do there, the deals, every single day on there. So we're always trying to grind, you know what I mean? After this video, I'll be making some labels. I mean, we mail stuff every single day, but I'll be making some labels to mail stuff tomorrow because the post office should still be open because it's not Thanksgiving tomorrow. So yeah, I mean, we'll be on the ground, you know what I mean? Making some labels, getting some items out there and run tonight. And yeah, of course, my IGs as well down below. If anybody needs a pair of these, just hit me on my IGs. And yeah, I mean, my members in Resale Vision, feel free to DM me for a quote. But that's aside from the point. I'm Tristan. Let me know how y'all are feeling about, again, the upcoming Black Cat 3s. Definitely, how can I say this? Cheaper in bulk too. So if anybody needs bulk, feel free to DM me. But that's aside from everything I need to say right there. I'm Tristan. Let me know your thoughts on Black Cat 3s. Check that all out down below. And drop a comment. Let me know, again, if this is a shoe that you would cop for the collection. For me, I'd cop it. You know, there's a couple other SBs and things like that I want a little bit more first. But these, I'll take them. You know what I mean? I like them. So, yeah, it's a cop. That's how I'm feeling about it. So, it's probably my favorite part. Back here by the heel or just the overall look of the shoe. But I don't like this too much. But, you know, this is nice. This is nice. We got a nice shoe. So, I'm T. Thank you, guys. I'll catch you on the next one tomorrow. See you guys then. Dumb us out in it. Peace.